HT232 30-inch blade. So on this one here, there's two main points. Obviously, it's the air filter. That's how it should look brand new. Just comes out. And so there should be no accumulation of dirt inside of here. So in this case, if they were to use the blower, they would blow the air this direction. The intake is on this side, so they just blow it opposite way. Then just reinstall it. But if it gets really, really dirty, then they should replace this.
Could you wash this also with water?
Probably not, I would say. It's probably because depending on what they use, it could deteriorate the material. Okay.
And what about the inside? Would you use a rag or again?
Well, again, if they could use a blower, but I think it's going to be a little bit too sloppy with that wide of a nozzle. It'd be better if it was more pinpoint kind of. I mean, obviously, if there's accumulation of oils and things like that, they'll probably have to wipe it off.
Okay.
Okay. So then the other thing on these especially is these guys. It's a grease point.
Ooh.
So in the gearbox, they should be lubing these like I don't know, every 20 hours or something like that. Just open this up. It's usually just like a white lithium grease. 20-25 hours, something like that should be fine. Okay, and just make sure the plug fits tightly back into its spot. Okay. Then I think you guys are also buying the cleaner for the blades.
Yes.
So they should be spraying their blades as well, both front and also the back side as well, because these are moving parts. They should be using that.
And so you just spray it on and then wipe it with a...
No, just spray it on and they could just go ahead and use it at that point. But it should never be a case where they run it, you know, for days on end without putting that spray on.
So what does that spray help with?
It helps to both lubricate the blades and also prevent buildup of, you know, sap material and things like that on the blades. Because once the blades start separating, then the cutting is going to be very, very rough. It's better when they're close together and they have a nice, clean, sharp cut. Okay. So that's pretty much it with regards to the HT232.